Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're all about eyebrows. So because this was requested by my good friend Shanae, Shane, this is for you. So basically everything today is gonna be about eyebrows. So if you guys are interested to know how I do my eyebrows and my personal tips and tricks, then please just keep on watching. Okay, before we start, actually, I forgot to say, I am no way, shape, and form. What? I am in no way, shape, or form a super expert brow person, makeup artist, whatever. This is just what I do for myself. This is what I've learned throughout the years, what I've learned through my brow artists. I get my eyebrows personally. I get them professionally shaped in Brows by G by two artists there, Kiana and Nicole. I love them. They're the best. Check them out if you're from Winnipeg. But this is just how I'm coping in quarantine and how I do them for pretty much everyday or like glam makeup looks. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do them using a pencil, eyebrow pencil, also using a brow pomade. So if you guys are interested to see how I do that, then again, just please keep on watching. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use the eyebrow pencil. As promised, we're gonna use the two kinds, but for right now, we're gonna use the eyebrow pencil. Other end, there's a spoolie, so that's what it looks like. So first of all, actually, you have to shape your eyebrows according to whatever you like, whatever frames your face. Usually, most of the time, I go to Brows by G, which is local here in Winnipeg. Okay, so sorry about my hair. So back to the eyebrows. Because we're in quarantine, I have nobody. Like I haven't gone to Brows by G because they're closed. So basically this is not the best shape that I have, but you know, the services of my brow knowledge, whatever it is required. So now we're doing this video today. I do recommend going to a professional for the first time to shape your eyebrows, just because they just know what they're doing, and it's a lot easier if someone else is doing it for you. But also if you want to do it yourself, there's tons of tutorials how to do that. But basically you're following the end of your eye, and then your arch should kind of align with the end of your nose, your eyeball, and then the arch should reach there. And then from the end of your nose to the end of your eye should reach the tail of your eyebrows. I hope that makes sense. So because Brows by G is closed after quarantine, blah, 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 what I've been using is this eyebrow shavers. You can get this at Amazon, Sally's. It's very inexpensive. I think I get a 3-pack for $7, so it's not bad. It looks like this. It's not sharp. It's not gonna cut you. And you basically just shape your eyebrows. I already did that a couple days ago, but I recommend doing this when you have dry skin before your moisturizer. So just make sure you moisturize right after, because this tends to also exfoliate. This is also the same tool that I used for dermaplaning or shaving my entire face. So that's the first step. Once you achieve the shape or the cleanliness that you want, then we're gonna go ahead how to do this. So I'm gonna try to be really close, you guys. I'm gonna go get the spoolie and really just brush your eyebrows in place. And then we're gonna go ahead with the pencil. And what I usually do, okay, it's gonna be hard, is line the bottom very, very lightly. Can you guys see a little bit? There, as you can see, you can kind of tell the difference. So once you get the bottom really lined, I'm gonna do the outer part of the tail. Can you guys see? And then I'm just gonna fill in all the gaps of my hair. And then I'm also gonna line the top, but I'm gonna avoid lining like this inner part. Like I'm just gonna start here and outline my eyebrows. Can you guys see that? And then again, lightly, like very lightly, with like really baby strokes, you just fill it in. Don't forget the tail. You want the tail of your eyebrows the most defined out of your entire eyebrows. So as you guys can see, I'm avoiding this inner part right here, just because I don't want it to be super strong. So we're just gonna lightly fill that in, so it's gonna look like that. You can already tell the difference. So now back with the spoolie, I'm gonna brush the product up in this little corner, and then I'm gonna go brush it sideways. So this is basically blending your eyebrow product. And then I'm gonna go kind of like this way also, really blending it in. And then after blending it in, if you notice there's still some spots you want to fill, go ahead and fill those in. That's why you want to use light strokes. You don't want tons of product right on your eyebrows, because it's so much easier to put more product than take away product. So just building it in up till you like what you see. So for everyday natural brows, I'm basically happy with this. If you guys don't have an eyebrow pencil that has a spoolie, you can also get like spoolies like this on like brush sets, but you really need a spoolie or anything to really blend your product in. So now I'm gonna work on my left eyebrow, and yeah, I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. Going up smoking up, make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate, the way she's approaching us. The one thing I love about this, it's so easy to clean if you mess up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puff, open up, tear you out for puff, let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up, open up. Okay, so now that you achieved what you want to look like for your brows, it's not much. Again, they're on the thicker side because I don't know actually how to shape them, but I'm gonna show you guys once, you know, everything opens up and I get them shaped again by professionals. I'm gonna show you the difference. But anyways, we're just gonna work with what we have. So once that's done, you just get a brow gel. I know this is kind of gross, but this is actually a mascara, the clear mascara, but it just turned brown because of all the product. This is very inexpensive. This is just like a Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara, or you know, you can buy like your actual brow gel. So what you're gonna do now is basically just set your eyebrows in place. What I do with this clear mascara, I'm just gonna go up first and then very lightly. You don't want it to touch your skin. You want it to just graze the hair, your eyebrow hair. And then once you set it like sideways like that, what I do is kind of put this up a little bit and just like that. So it's completely up to you. Like guys, everything is preference. Whatever you think looks good, that's what you do. So for me, I think this looks good, so I stopped. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like using an eyebrow pencil. Very natural. This is usually what I do for everyday dinner for friends, all that stuff. I use Brow Luxe by Brows by G, and I'm in the color Deep Brunette, but this is actually a discontinued color. The closest you can find is in color Cocoa, and I'll put all the link down below. It's not sponsored by them. I just really love this product. This is actually my third pencil. It's very comparable to Anastasia, but I don't know if, but I'll put the price points and stuff like that too. So yeah, and then watch out for the next video on how I'm gonna do it with my brow pomade, and I'm using this product right here. So thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next brow video.